Well, hello everybody. Here is Dr. Christian Brenes explaining a little bit of the functionality of the flat occlusal plane for the Enzo articulator. In some previous videos I already explained how to use this little articulator for printed models, and you can use it for regular models as well. It's a plasterless articulator. So basically what you do is you mount the models without the need of using plaster, which is really great, and especially for CAD/CAM applications where the bases of the printed models are not that tall. You can always adjust the vertical and basically all of the different directions here, because you can also adjust the horizontal plane, vertical planes. So it's very easy to use and very versatile. So basically what I want to do, and the reason why I was doing this video, is because these Enzo articulator has this flat plane that you can basically use for complete denture setups. So if you have a complete denture and you want to use a flat plane, there is a flat plane adapter that fits the articulator really nicely. But also what I did was I modified this flat plane in a way that I have these little holes right here, and you guys might be wondering, well, what is the functionality of this? Well, this is the thing. If you guys have been using the Panettone articulator or the Coe's Dentofacial analyzer, you guys are familiar with this. So this is the index tray that you use with the Coe's Dentofacial analyzer. And the reason why I did this is because I want these to be able to fit the tray. Alright? So in that way I can use the same flat plane of the Enzo articulator and mount my cases right away, like so. So I have the articulator right there, and I can easily, when I take the occlusal record of the Dentofacial analyzer, I can basically use that to mount my case using the Enzo articulator. Now you guys might be wondering, sometimes, you know, because you have all these different tools right here, so you can adjust the height and the width and the different angulations. The best way to sort of make sure this is going to be completely parallel to the floor and is following my occlusal plane is by using one of these level gauges. So when you use this, and let me show you right here, you just got to make sure that this bubble is in the center, like so. If not, you can start modifying this in a way that is completely flat. Once it's completely flat, like this, you can make sure that you can use that flat plane of occlusion to mount your model like this. And then after you have your model mounted, this is the nice thing. I also drew where the midline is that corresponds to the midline of the patient face, which is basically the same concept as the occlusal stand for the Panettone articulator, like you see here. I'm just transferring the same information to the Enzo articulator. Right? So in the same way that you use this, you can also use the wax up trays to start waxing up your case, like so. So this is how you make the Enzo articulator compatible with the Coe's Dentofacial analyzer and use it the same way as we use the Panettone articulator.